my channel. It's ChristyRocksXO. In today's video, we are going to be decorating this table here for spring. So I'm going to keep it really simple and cute. So let's just go ahead and let's start decorating. Loving the way this coffee table came out. It's so cute and it's so simple and it's very easy to do. So I think the little touches of carrots inside the glass with the moss is just, you know, absolutely perfect. I needed something to put those carrots in, and I wanted like a little baby bucket, like as big as that cup, but I didn't have one. I decided, let me go ahead and use a cup and put some moss in it. I mean, it's gonna look absolutely cute. This is the bunny's house, so this is the way the little bunnies decorate. So I really enjoyed hanging out with you. I hope that you enjoyed hanging out with me as well. If you did, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Also, if you can, please share my videos with your friends and your family. It would mean the world to me. And until next time, XO till I overdose. Bye.